Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where we are all things coins and art. As you can see in front of me, I have a mail call today. This one comes from Chris Bunn on Facebook. I can go ahead and log the Facebook or add the link to the Facebook group in the description. This one is another one for the proof typeset. I've actually been looking for this one for a long time, but I really couldn't justify the prices that were on eBay, Heritage. So whenever this one came up, I was actually pretty happy to get it. I don't want to say cheap because it's definitely not, but it was definitely less expensive than the other coins that I had seen and that I had actually tried to get. So really happy to have this one here. And let's go ahead and open it. Yeah, cool. All right, so we got a little gift here. Silver bullion and what is that, lifesavers? All right, I appreciate it. I like lifesavers. Are they the gummy ones? No, they're the hard ones. Okay. Hey, man, to each his own. I appreciate it, man. Anytime anybody gives a gift, it's really cool. You don't see a lot of people doing that these days. There it is. $18.67, proof 63, 3-cent silver. Wow, that is some nice, real nice toning on that. I'll try and take a better video. I'm trying to get a good setup, you know, where we can actually do that without all the reflection. You can get all the toning, but have not been able to do so yet. Been swamped again. You know, I have 2 art shows coming up next month. Been trying to get 10 plus pieces put together. It's pretty insane, really. I'm actually it's my first art show, so I'm pretty happy with it. But this coin is flashy and beautiful colors on it. Kind of wish it came in on Tuesday for a toner Tuesday. It's all right. We'll do a Fantastic Friday or something like that. All right. Well, I greatly appreciate it, and thank you guys for coming to the channel.